parents, I wanted to show y'all real quick how you can check your child's grades, how you can check what assignments they are missing, and you can also see if I have returned something. It will say missing, and once you click on it, you can see the comment I left, and that's giving them a chance to resubmit their work. Either it was blank, or something wasn't done right, or it was poor quality, and I'm giving them an opportunity to go back and fix their work and resubmit it for a better grade. So once you log on to Google Classroom, they will have all their classes. So I'm going to click on Monday, Thursdays. Once I click on classwork, you can click up here where it says view your work in the top left. And this is going to show you all of their assignments. If it says turned in, that means they've turned it in and it is waiting to be graded. If it has a check mark, that means it has been checked but was not for a grade. And if it was graded and I've graded it, you will see the grade. So the number on the right is going to be the amount of points they could have received, and the number on the left is going to be what they scored. So for this one, this child scored a 100 out of 100, okay? Now, you can look and see any missing assignments. So I see missing. Once you click on that, you can then see any private comments that I have made. For this one, I am asking her to resubmit because she didn't answer the questions quite correct. I'm giving her a time to redo and resubmit. I'm giving the child a date to turn it in by. So for this one, if she redoes the assignment and resubmits it by 9/2, which is this Wednesday, I will regrade it for a better grade. If it is not done by Wednesday, the grade will be as is. So you can go through each class, view your work, and scroll down. If it says missing, you will see my comment on what they need to fix, or if you don't see any comment, that means that they're missing it and they have not turned it in at all. So then they will need to do the assignment and turn it in. For this specific student, she had turned it in on time. However, the student didn't answer the questions quite like they were asking, so I explained it to her and then asked her to redo it and resubmit for a better grade. So you can look through and see the check marks and see their grades. Again, if it says missing, please click on the assignment. If I left a comment, you will see it there, and that is what the child is to fix, redo, and resubmit. So you can click view details, click on your work, and you can edit it right there. You don't have to start over. So she can edit it and then go back to Google Classroom and turn it in once she's edited it, okay? Make sure they hit turn it in on all assignments or it will not come to me for grading. So make sure that you're going through every single day to make sure that they've turned in every assignment for the day before 9 p.m. and then to check what missing assignments they have. On their progress reports, I've listed every missing assignment for each subject. So go through. Mondays and Thursdays are ELA and social studies. Tuesday and Friday is math and science day. So if they were missing those assignments, you can go through here and see where it says missing and click on that assignment. And if I've left a comment on things for them to fix, it will be there. If I didn't leave a comment, that means they have not completed the assignment and need to do so then. So make sure that you're going to classwork, view your work. I'll show you one more time. So you're on Google Classroom. You're going to click on the subject and days that you want. So Monday, Thursdays, ELA and social studies. Click classwork and view your work. You will see all grades. If any missing assignments, you will need to click missing and read the comment. If there's no comment, then you will just need to have your child submit the work. Reminder that all assignments are due by 9 o'clock on the same day. Please let me know if you have any questions at all, and I hope that this is helpful. Just to remind you to make sure to go and click on view your work every single day to see what your child is missing so that they don't get too far behind in assignments. Thank you.